Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a clear line of sight. That determines the gear you need. Once done, update router firmware and enable the chosen band because stability matters. Next, pick hardware, a directional antenna or outdoor CPE for long-range links, and check connector type so nothing misfits. Make sure power sources and mounting points are available, then plan cable runs. By starting with these items, you avoid guesswork and set a solid foundation before any configuration or alignment work. You now mount the antenna or CPE and keep cable runs short to reduce loss. Use sealed connectors for weather. Then configure the router or bridge. Set SSID, choose narrow channel width for distance, raise transmit power cautiously, and assign fixed IPs or bridging so devices stay reachable. Once configured, perform a spectrum scan and lock a clear channel. That reduces interference. Make sure you enable strong encryption and log access so the long-range link stays both fast and secure. You finish by carefully aligning the antenna while watching RSSI and throughput. Small adjustments often yield big gains. Once aligned, run speed tests at varied times to spot interference windows and adjust power or switch channels where needed. Secure mounts and grounding prevent wind shift and lightning risk. If problems occur, check connectors first, swap the cable to rule out loss, and confirm firmware matches both ends. Remember one tip: bad coax or loose connectors cause most long-range failures, so inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.